Hello everyone. My YouTube channel name is Hack with 36. The video purpose is how to gain knowledge in free. This is the free course gaining video for technical or non-technical branch. And the requirement is a laptop or mobile device and good internet connection. This all course is free for limited time and also limited seat for free, so go and grab it immediately without wasting time. Here you get top 5 free courses with certificates and lifetime full access. Number 1. Python Programming Bootcamp. Here you will learn Python within few days with practical examples, exercises, assignments, and problems with solutions. You will learn fundamental of Python as data types, input-output operations, list, tuples, dictionary, set, decision-making, loops, functions, etc. You will learn Python programming with solving real-world problems with their solution. You will learn how to create a Python-based website. You will get Python-based quiz at the end of the course. By the end of this 7-day course, students will have the confidence and skills to learn more advanced Python topics such as machine learning, data science, and by the end of this course, students will have a solid understanding of Python programming fundamentals and be able to write basic Python programs. The next course is Number 2. Java OOPS Object-Oriented Programming with Exercises. Here you learn Java, Object-Oriented Programming OOPS, Class and Object Creation, Constructor Usage, Encapsulation with Getters and Setters, Inheritance Implementation, Method Overriding, Use of the Super Keyword, Polymorphism in Java, Method Overloading and Overriding Differentiation, Abstract Classes and Interfaces Usage, Solid Principles Application. The next course is Number 3. From Zero to AI, How to Master DeepSeek AI as a Beginner. Here you learn Explore how DeepSeek compares to ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity AI. Learn about DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek, R8, and its open-source capabilities. Learn how to set up and access DeepSeek AI. Understand DeepSeek R1's reinforcement learning process. Discover the key features and applications of DeepSeek AI. The next course is Number 4. Productivity and Task Automation WAI into ChatGPT Masterclass. Here you learn Understand the basics of 1D AI and ChatGPT and how they can be used to create various AI apps for different purposes. Explore some of the existing AI apps on 1D AI that can help them with writing, coding, productivity, and lifestyle tasks. Use Notion with 1D AI to enhance their workflow and organize their projects. Generate images using AI and become an AI artist and an AI photographer. Create their own AI apps on 1D AI using ChatGPT and design their app interface and functionality. Sell their AI apps and services online using Instantly AI or other platforms and learn some of the best methods to market their AI solutions. The next course is Number 5. AI Personal Branding, Secure High-Paying Jobs as a Student. Here you learn Harness AI to craft a standout personal brand with attention-grabbing bios, posts, and visuals. Optimize your LinkedIn profile for maximum visibility and attract high-paying job opportunities. Master the art of newsletter creation, building an engaged audience, and establishing your expertise. Learn PR strategies to amplify your brand, gain media exposure, and connect with influential people. The all course is free with completion of certificate. And the link of the course is in the description, so go and join it for full lifetime.